Good morning. I'm going to show you how to change the layout for your seating charts for next semester. Mostly it's just with merge and the way to outline different cells. So right here I have merged some cells together vertically, and the way I did that was just take my pointer and highlight whatever I wanted to merge, and you go to right here where it says merge cells, and you can click merge vertically. You can click merge horizontally or whatever. So if you had tables that were vertical in orientation towards the front of the room, you could merge it that way. And then the way you outline it to look like a table is with the icon right next to it, borders. Really, in this case, you could use any of them. This does individual borders, like if you had a spreadsheet. This does the outside. That's probably the main two you'll use for this. So now it looks like I have another table, and anything I type would be in that. If I click in it, that's how I typed like table 2. I could press enter and type table 2. You can, if you mess up, you just go back here and you unmerge, and it's back to how it was. Now it's still highlighted, so you can go back if you mess up that. Click that, and the one that's empty clears all your borders. Notice it actually cleared that side of my table as well. So that's one option. Another option is I didn't even merge these. I just highlighted them together that way. So it looks like a horizontal table, and then I put the people around it. If you had desk, you might just choose to go through and do your border with your individual desks and type the student's name in there. So this would be my example for desk. This would be my example for a horizontal orientation table, which you can merge or not merge. And this would be my example for a vertical. And again, you don't have to merge it. You could just outline the whole table and then put the names of the kids around it. So hope this helps. Thanks.